You know what time it is. Hi everyone, what's up, Clevy Nation? Welcome back to the channel. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Clevy, and it is so nice to meet you. You guys, it is time to check out Queendom, and this was done today, May 28th. Happy Sunday, you guys. I can't wait to check this out, and if you are to smash the like button, join the family, join Clevy Nation by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell. So you don't miss whenever I upload a new video, guys. Don't forget to watch to the end of the video to find out if you are today's shout out in 3, 2, 1. Queendom, take the stage away, shall you? Come on, let's check it out. Ooh, Queendom. Let's go. Everywhere is dark. Is that fear? Ooh, nice. Sing to me, mama. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Woo! Guys, we're just 1 minute in and all of this amazingness is happening. If this is your first time watching Queendom, woo! Welcome, because you're in for. I had to get my headphones. I'm like, this. Oh, come on, Fear. Hear the vocals. Ah! Nice. Smooth. Thank you, Fear. Thank you so much. Who's that? It's so. You know, one thing I love about Queendom is the fact that everyone always have their own time to shine. Everyone is. It, I don't know who brought this. I don't know who decided to. I don't know if it's just them, but damn, they are all stars coming together. Is magical. Ah. Ito. You guys know that every time I have to do it, as I say this, she is a like I would pay to watch her perform. That's how good she is. She knows how to carry a song. She knows how to interpret and translate the song. Whatever she feels while singing it, you're definitely gonna feel it. Like that is sells for you. She's amazing. She's good like that. Ooh. Oh, everyone is wearing. Oh, I love the clothes. I was able to see everybody. They're wearing almost the same thing. Oh. Just look at her eyes. Thank you. Hey, baby. Hey, mama. Anytime I hear Jessica, do you know what comes to my head? Vocal powerhouse. Period. Vocal beast. That's it. Mm. So calm and soothing. Beautiful. Woo! That was smooth, you guys. Oh my god. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my god. And by the way, I love what you're wearing. I love the shade of blue. It's making the kiss. It's making the skin pop. Woo! Oh, girl. Ah! You see, some people can sing and some people can sing. She can sing. Ay, God. Oh. Oh, Marianne, come on, give it to me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. She's so pretty, you guys. Woo. 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 She does that and she ends with a smile like, girl, you just killed me. And you're smiling. Ugh. Is that Julie? My girl. Mm. Nice. Nice. Vocals, oh my god! Mm. Everybody. Full blown choir, you guys. Yeah. Amazing. Woo! Oh my god, I totally did enjoy this. I hope you did too. Here at today's Instagram, I need to shout out. Thank you so much for being a member of Clevy Nation, for staying active on the platform, and for supporting my journey. If you want to be featured next, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle right there. And leave a comment on my latest post, or you subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment on today's video. Guys, if you have any other recommendations, you have suggestions, you know the drill. Leave it right now in the comment section. If you enjoyed this as much as I did, smash the like button, share this video, and also don't forget to join the family by clicking on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss whenever I upload new video. All right, guys, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. I love you. I love you so much, and thank you for always watching. Bye, guys.